guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna be reacting to someone called Aha, and the title is Take on Me. So I don't know who I'm expecting, but that name sounds very funny and sounds kind of strange, but very uncanny. So we're about to find out who this artist is. I don't know if it's an individual or it's a band. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump right in. Wow. That started out very strong, like so strong. I love the beats. Ooh, is this synth? Sounds like synth music. Loving it.
Talking away. I don't know what to say. I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shying away. I've been coming for your love, okay? Take on me.
Ooh.
Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be gone. So needless to say, I'm upset, but I'll be stolen away. Slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me, take on me, take me on, take on me. I'll be gone in a day or
Ooh. I love the sound. This is my favorite part. This is my favorite part. Ooh. Sounds so nuts.
all the things that you say, is it delightful just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember. You shine away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be gone. Take on me. Take on me. I'll be gone. Take on me.
He really struggles to meet her in real life. And that is what love is all about. Simon Fields. Whoa, guys, that was so good. That was very, very good. I think this is the end. Who is this guy called Aha? It's a very, very funny name, and I didn't expect this to be this good. I really love that synth kind of sound, and then that dun 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 dun. It sounds very funky in a way. It sounds like something Michael Jackson would dance to, and it just shows how love. I think the video was trying to portray how he tried to struggle to get back into reality with her, and the amount of uh you know of effort it took him to be able to meet her in reality. That's what love can do, the power of love. And I really love the song. There were not much lyrics to it, but the sound engineering of the song was just so beautiful. And that constant keying on the keyboard was very, very impressive. So guys, please let me know who this guy is, and I would love to react to more of his songs. I would love to hear more of his songs. Give me a background story to the kind of music he sings, the genre, and I would really appreciate. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.